This is a slow DIY cube. It's like really slowed down, and it has a tendency to pop, and I'm going to try to restore it to being really fast once again. This isn't a very good camera angle, but it's the best I could think of while still working. So I'm going to need a screwdriver, my lubricant, and then we'll just get started. You're just going to pop out a piece, an edge, and just dismantle the whole cube and line up the pieces in an order, Okay, so next thing we're going to do is just pop off all your center caps, which I can just do with my finger. Okay, once you're done with that, you can just go ahead and start unscrewing the screws. And just to save time, I'm going to stop the video so I can get some stuff and then finish up with the core. So my camera just turned off, but basically I said that you're going to want to wipe off your core with like a paper towel or something. So now once you have that all done, you can just start like reassembling your cube, but first, yeah, just start like reassembling your cube, and that should be pretty easy. But I don't know if you guys will be able to see this, but I really can't. Make sure that you can, because screw on the core. It's already like way better. Then just do that on all of them. A good way to do this is to, after you put it in, oh, and I forgot to mention the order they go in. It goes screw, big washer, spring, little washer, in case you didn't know the order. But yeah, as I was saying, you put your screwdriver on. I hold it against my chest while applying pressure, get the core, just screw it right on. Alright, then you can always come back to adjust later, but just keep doing this. So you can either like wash off your screws or springs or whatever, or you could just replace them. The next part is just start assembling your cube. So I'll just okay. Now you can feel your cube. Mine's like too loose. So you can just tighten them up. I'm feeling around for the looseness. If your cube really feels like it's gonna pop, I would tighten them up a little bit. So I am just. About right for me, so I'm just going to pop on my centers. Okay, so now I can already tell this cube has made it back into my top 10. So, now it's time for lubrication. I'm not going to be teaching how to do this because I already have a video on it. Spray in little amounts. And you can always add, but you can't take lube back. Then you just want to break that in. Mix that up. I'm just going to do a solve. Okay. Okay. 22.19. So the cube really has worked in, and I really do like it again, like a lot more than I was. So I'm happy this works for me. I hope it works for anyone that's watching this video and needs to have their cube restored. So now the next mystery is, will this get restored back to normal? That's the question.